We are in a area of Canada, Saskatchewan, about the wildfire in north, close to Saskatoon, Canada. See? So the cloudy, mixing cloudy and smoky and smell smoke. So that's the issue, the big issue for today. Since it started in the morning, a cloudy weather, mixing sunny but a little bit rain. So that's the condition of the smoke issue, wildfire at north. Okay, so as you can see, the cloudy, see, mixing a little bit sunny or if you open the door of your vehicle in outside, windy, see the flowers, windy, plus cloudy and smoky and smell smoke. Yeah, 50 to 15 communities evacuate. Okay, so for now, we need to video this content because of that's the reason why the Canada's smell smell smoke the whole day. Yeah. It's like there's a thunderstorm later or a little bit rainy for today after work. Yeah. It's windy. See the tent and the flower there. Okay. So that's the issue and news for the day. Okay. Okay, see you guys. That's a weather update in Canada, Saskatchewan, at the parking lot somewhere in Canada, close to US. Okay, 15 minutes driving, close to border. Okay. Okay, see you guys for now for update weather in Canada, Saskatchewan. See you guys. Click the button and notification bell for my YouTube channel and subscribe for you for your updating uploaded or content. Okay, at your service, amazing tips and amazing uh, weather tips for today. Okay, see you guys.